Imagine your car suddenly forgets its own identity, shifts horribly, and might even shut off while you are driving. That is exactly what happens with code P0631. This is a serious OBD2 trouble code that means the transmission control module, or TCM, does not recognize your vehicle identification number, known as the VIN. Every single vehicle sold in America has a unique 17-character VIN that acts like its fingerprint. This number tells the computers exactly what year, make, model, and engine the car has. Federal laws require this information to be programmed into the main computers to prevent auto theft and odometer fraud. When you turn the key, the transmission control module talks to the main engine computer to verify the VIN. If they do not match, or if the transmission module cannot find the number at all, it triggers code P0631. The symptoms of this code are usually severe. You might experience harsh and erratic shifting, the transmission getting stuck in one gear, the vehicle security system locking you out, or the engine completely shutting down when you roll to a stop at a red light. The causes for this issue are very specific. It almost always happens if the transmission control module was recently replaced with a used part from a junkyard and was not properly reprogrammed. It can also be caused by a software glitch, a total failure of the transmission computer, or someone tampering with the system. Fixing this code is not a typical weekend driveway project. First, you need to verify if the module was recently replaced. If it was, the solution is reprogramming the module with the correct VIN using specialized dealership-level software. If no parts were changed, you need to check the wiring harness connecting the transmission module to the main computer for any damage or loose pins. You absolutely need to go to a professional mechanic or a dealership for this one. Since reprogramming requires secure, licensed software from the manufacturer, a standard home scan tool will not work. A certified technician will connect an advanced scanner to compare the VIN in the computer against the actual VIN etched on your dashboard. If the computer itself has failed internally, you will need a new one, and that new module must be flashed with your exact vehicle data before the car will drive normally again. Do not ignore this code, as driving with it can ruin your transmission. Get it to a pro, get it programmed, and get back to smooth shifting.